Newbie sa BPO tapos telco account agad?
Telco account agad binigay sa akin, di ba mahirap to guys?
Solid na training ground yan.
Solid na training ground nga to!
And yes, hindi siya madali. High volume, irate customers, and even pressure from every angle. Kapag nakayanan mo na lahat ng ibang account, sisiyo na lang. At kahit saan ka man ma-deploy after, mas mabilis ka nang makaka-adopt. Tapos, after 1 year, pag na-feel mo na mag-resign, go! Apply na sa ibang company and negotiate better pay. Kasi pag galing kang telco, interviewers already know that you can handle pressure and mas confident silang bigyan ka ng mataas na offer. Alam mo kung bakit? Yung mga galing sa telco, iba ang mindset. Train sa bilis, sanay sa init ng linya, at kahit anong account, kinakareer nila. They don't just survive, they lead. So kung ikaw to ngayon, tiis lang, learn fast, and stay sharp, and after this, ikaw na ang hotshot. At kung gusto mong subukan ang telco account with full support and proper guidance, Metacom is here to help you get started step by step.